Time to find out why everyone is talking about this box. Hey there, welcome back to AmyTV. Today is a very different kind of episode. We don't usually talk a ton about products around here. I've started telling you a lot more about my sort of makeup and skincare routines and things like that. So it's a little bit involved in that, but it's still a little bit different. Why? Well, interestingly enough, my friends have been telling me you have to be subscribed to this box. Like, this box is the coolest thing ever. Everyone raves about it. Everyone needs it so desperately. And it just so happens that this box is Fabfitfun. And Fabfitfun reached out to me and said, we want to work with you. And so I was like, well, here's the thing. I don't know why everybody loves your box. And so they said, well, let's show you why. Today, I want to open this box of things that all of my friends seem to love and try to find out what is the big deal with it. Personally, I would like to find out, is it a time saver? I really love to shop for the things that I love online or in the store when it comes to lifestyle and beauty and skincare and all those fun things, just any lifestyle gadgets, whatever it is. I love shopping for that stuff on my own. This box is supposed to save you all kinds of time by shopping for it for you and saving you money by packaging it together. So I am going to find out, is this thing actually all it's cracked up to be? And is it something that I need? Or is it just another box of things where we start to accumulate too many things and it wasn't really worth it? I like how I'm doing this and it's like I have a desk here. Maybe I should put a desk here. That would be kind of interesting. No shocker, thanks to Fabfitfun for sponsoring this episode, but I'm about to be real either way. So just full disclosure for everyone there. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I make new videos every Sunday and Wednesday about going after the life that you want, whether it means being subscribed to a box or not. So I'd love to see you for the next one. Okay, I'm gonna start up my second camera here so that you guys can see all the things that are coming out of here. So first I need to get my scissors out. What's really interesting to me is that there is a battery warning on the back. I don't know why. I thought this thing was gonna be mostly like skincare, but there's a battery warning. So that should get interesting. So let's get this party started. Okay, the first thing, this is the fall 2018 box. So this is a seasonal thing. If you don't know what this is, I should probably explain it to you. Essentially, this is a seasonal lifestyle, beauty, all of the things wonderfulness box. And so this is the fall box of the year. It is supposed to have more than $200 worth of awesome stuff in it for the low price of $49.99 per month. Now, $50 a month, if you're actually getting legit stuff, is a good price, but I'm gonna figure that out. Now, if you want to vet this box just as I am, and you want to get it cheaper, then I don't blame you. I would use the discount code Landino10 to get $10 off your first box, because if we're investigating, might as well get a discount, right? We're off to a good start. Christina Applegate is the first thing that we are seeing. That's amazing. I love her. The Sweetest Thing is one of my favorite movies of all time. It's a terrible name for a movie, but I love that movie. It makes me feel all the feels about friendship, so I love Christina Applegate. She's also amazing in Anchorman. Ooh, I just love her. But I don't have time to read this, so let's hang on to that. We've got a couple of ads here. Oh, some discount codes. Okay. I've already got the Luna bar to kick it off. That's great because I, of course, can refill my cookie jar with that. So love that. We have from Grown Alchemist, the Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser Olive Leaf Plantigo Extract. This is the kind of thing that I nerd out about. Right now, I'm going through such a struggle with my skin. I have a little bit of perioral dermatitis. It's so dramatic. It sounds dramatic because it's so dramatic. It's like everything seems fine to you because I'm using makeup to cover it up, but there's something in my skincare routine that is not doing me right now, so I love to see things like this. This product has no anything in it. Oh, wow. Just the packaging of this is like expensive. Okay, so we're gonna pop this. We have to pop it open. Okay. Oh, that is a luxury cream right there. That is a cleanser that's going to wake you up. Luxurious. I love it. And I love how I'm rubbing cleanser in, but it is almost a lotion. That is how nice it is. Like, I could mistake this for a lotion. Next, we have some Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. I love fancy shower gel. I don't know why I get really impatient when I'm shopping for shower gel at the grocery. I just like, this is the last thing that I go luxury on for some reason. Ooh, oh, that's super nice. It's Alpine Rose, Sage, Wild Basil, and Autumn Blossom. Whew, fancy. That's fancy for my body. This would be a time saver for me because I hate buying shower gel. Like, I hate shopping for shower gel, and whenever I'm in the shower and I'm out, I get very frustrated by this. We have a little lipstick duo that is nude. The shade is called Penny. Oh my god, show me nude. Show me something nude. Ooh, it's a duo. Okay. Oh, it's very metallic. Okay, so I get the jam here. Uh-oh, this could get crazy. This is like for a crazy night out. I don't know if I would use this or not. It is a really pretty color though. It's much more pink than I thought. Oh, but that one's a lot more nude. Okay, so this is super metallic. Metallic like crazy. Yeah, I would probably use a different color underneath this gloss. I would totally try the gloss. I don't think I love the color that much. The color is a little loud. It feels nice though. That feels really soft. Not a time saver though, because I still gotta find my nude shades. Always looking for the right nude. Sheet masks from Glam Glow. I love me Glam Glow a lot. And I have not actually tried any sheet masks from them. I don't know that I knew. Oh, these are cleansing masks. That makes way more sense. That's interesting. I don't know that it would have occurred to me to do a cleansing mask. I think this will be fun to try. I wouldn't have bought this. I definitely wouldn't have bought this. So it's not necessarily a time saver, but it is a money saver because I can try it and see if I like it, but I would not have necessarily picked this up at the store. Okay, what is this? Crown Pro for pros by pros. This is a brush set. Oh, it's very nice. That is a travel packaging. Oh my gosh, I was just gonna get something like this on Amazon. It is a brush container, which is so great. Now, there's obviously some really nice brushes here that I love trying new brushes. This is fantastic for like a night trip if I don't need as many makeup brushes with me. This is a time saver and it's a money saver because I would have paid $20 for something like this. It's probably not this small. I probably would have gotten something bigger, a little bit bigger. But it is going to save me money because now I don't have to buy it. Yay! Now we have some earbuds from Cobra. Very cute, very on brand. I love that. These are still Bluetooth and they have like a wire from ear to ear. And there is some sound isolation. So that's actually a pretty good deal for Bluetooth headphones to be in this box. What else do we have? Yeah, a towel. Not gonna lie, that excites me more than it sounded. The amount I go through towels is pretty crazy. I love this color. It's because it's not colorful. We have 2 towels. They're like dish towels. I think that is going to look really nice in my kitchen. So that's going to save me a little bit of time because all of my towels are super ugly for the kitchen and I haven't had a chance to go and shop for any. And these look really nice. I'm probably going to wash them immediately so that I can use them in the kitchen. What in the world is this final item? I am just dying to know. It's kind of a heavy little box here. Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Again with the homewares. That's interesting. Interesting. It says all the tea brewing times on the side, which is really nice because I'm always looking at the packet trying to figure out what is the length of time that I'm supposed to be brewing this tea. They're all different. That's really useful. I'm probably going to take a picture of that. That is really pretty. You take that out when the peoples come over to your house. That's so pretty. Ooh, it looks so much prettier on camera. It looks even prettier on camera because it's a lot softer in color, I think, than it is in real life. But it is really, really nice. And it looks like it's a one-person teapot, essentially, or maybe like 2. Maybe this is like one person comes over for a spot of tea, and you're like, hi, girl. Don't you worry, I got a teapot that's perfect for the both of us. This is like one you would kind of like have on display a little bit and then like use it on special occasions. Does it look like a special occasion? Oh! Oh! We had something hiding! We had something hiding! The Beauty Blender. Oh, you made the price of the whole box for me. This saves me time. This saves me money. These little buggers are $20. $20! And they just came in this box for $50. Seriously. Oh my gosh. I get so sad when my beauty blenders get gross and dirty. And I know you can clean them, and I do clean them. But as I'm cleaning them, I'm like, why am I doing this? I'm just going to buy another one. Or who are we kidding here? This is what we're talking about. Love that. I think that's it. I wasn't expecting that blender. I thought the teapot was the last thing. Okay. That was a great note to leave off on. This is the jam. $50. I'm surprised. I actually do think that this box could be worth both the time and the money. I already knew that the money was going to be good. Like the beauty blender, that made the whole thing for me. If you can always include something in there, that's especially for me, which I hear you can now customize these boxes a little bit more, so definitely look into that if you are going to check this out. And don't forget to use my discount code, Landino10, so that you can save more money, because if you're getting a beauty blender, this thing is $20. Like, that's and it's the best one. You know it's the best one. I'm actually surprised at how much time this will save me. The makeup brush container is gonna save me some time because I needed that because I'm going on the road this weekend and I forgot to pick that up yet, and that's gonna be really helpful. I'm only gonna be gone for a couple days, so that's like the perfect thing. The towels. Super cute, nice flavor. Like, I love that they include things for your home in this box and not just all kinds of stuff that you're just gonna put in your drawers and your cabinets in your bathroom. I was expecting this to be like a cabinet thing. Like, oh, this is all just stuff we're just gonna throw in the bathroom and hopefully use it later. That worries me because I've been trying to declutter so much. But I actually think everything in this box, almost everything, the lipstick's throwing me for a loop a little bit. Almost everything in this box is going to get used. My friends may have been right about this. I didn't think I was gonna like this box. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I love you guys, Fabfitfun, for wanting to work with me, but I just thought, no, I already know what I like. I go get it. I'll go buy it. Like, I don't need a box to tell me what I like. But it is kind of nice to try new things that you didn't necessarily think of. And it's so much less expensive than if you were to buy each of those things individually. Like, so much. So I'm impressed. What do you think about boxed shipments like this? Do you love how it saves you time and money when it comes to beauty and lifestyle shopping? Share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Thanks again to Fabfitfun for sponsoring this episode of Amy TV. It was a pleasant surprise. I appreciate you. And if you guys want to try out the box, you can get your first one for $10 off. Use my code Landino10, all caps, Landino10. That's all for this spot of tea. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it as always. Thank you for stopping by for a spot of tea. I know how many of you drink coffee and tea while you watch this video, and I appreciate you for that. Make sure you subscribe for good vibes, and remember to continue to go after the life that you want. Cheers.